Now, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, use these apps every day. And every day, these apps are collecting data and trying to improve and create newer and better features to improve, well, your experience as you use them and what you get out of the apps. Well, here on the show, we bring you those updates, the things that they've introduced, the new stuff. So when you go into your app, you don't wonder, what's this for? I am Ngutu Daudi, and welcome to The Timeline. Now, despite earlier reports that Facebook would be introducing an option for people to be able to upload pictures on Instagram straight from their desktop, that hasn't happened. Instagram has stayed true to its Insta fame and has only allowed you to be able to upload photos from your mobile phone, which has been rather frustrating to DSLR photographers. But that's about to change. Now, the new app that is created called WindowWeb, which is a free app that is a Windows app that allows you to upload pictures to your Instagram straight from your desktop. Now, in a bid to try and out-compete Snapchat, Instagram keeps introducing new features, the latest being the poll. Now, you can post your Instagram stories, ask your followers a question, and introduce a sticker that says yes or no to allow people to vote for what they prefer. The downside of this poll, however, is that it is not anonymous. The same way you would view the people who have viewed your story, you can view the people who have voted in your poll. So if you're trying to find out which of your friends are on your side and which ones are haters and they don't like your slaying. Now, since the poll is also only available in Instagram stories, the poll does disappear like the stories after 24 hours. Now, while Facebook started out as a social media channel, it seems to be branching out into a lot of other things. Now, I don't know if you have heard of Facebook Workplaces. At least 14,000 businesses are using it already. And it promises to offer features like, shared workspaces for your organization, data security, the ability for you to go live from anywhere to your entire work group and have that meeting, from doing things like, working with other companies as long as they also use Facebook Workplace. So if you're a business, especially a startup, and you don't have all the resources and you want, a mobile workspace that allows you to do all these great things, well, maybe you might just want to check out what Workplaces by Facebook is offering.
Let's get to work.
Now, Twitter has not been very famous for, listening to people, introducing features that people actually like. While people wanted to edit, they said we'll introduce 280 characters, which people just, didn't see the point of. But now they have introduced the bookmark feature that people have actually been asking for a long time. Now, sometimes you see a tweet that you want to keep for later, or something that makes you laugh and you just want to store it, to just share with someone or something like that. Well, now you'll be able to have a bookmark button that allows you to keep that tweet. Good, right? Now, also, Twitter is also introducing a new feature called the Happening Now feature. It will start appearing at the top of your timeline. Now, it's exactly what it says it is, happening now. Catching you up with the events of the moment, the big ones. It will first roll out, of course, with sports events, but eventually roll out to things like breaking news and so on and so forth. So we're looking forward to that as a way to catch up on, the good stuff in the cloud of tweets and rants and everything else that comes in the Twitter sphere. And that brings us to the end of our update this week. Hopefully you've gotten something in there that can help you improve your usage of social media for yourself, for your business, for your friends, and for your family, for so much, whatever it is that you use it for. Don't forget, if you like more of this, please follow us on our Twitter and our Facebook. That's at The Timeline 256, and that's on Twitter and Facebook. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's at Timeline 256. So these episodes come straight to your inbox, and you can start a new life with MTN. How does 100 SMSs sound? Yeah, when it comes to 100 MBs, sounds pretty great. 1,000 shillings of a mobile money sounds pretty awesome, and 30 minutes of talk time. Well, buy yourself an MTN SIM card and get all that. From me here, David, goodbye. God bless you, and catch you on the World Wide Web.
That Timeline was brought to you by...
Get a SIM card for only 2,000 shillings at any MTN shop everywhere you go. Start a new life with a network that gives you the best internet everywhere.
MTN, everywhere.